Okay guys, is Great Stuff Pro with the little gun thing any better than normal Great Stuff? I don't know. So really, let's see how much volume we get out of them. This is 24-ounce container, and this is a 12-ounce container. So I went ahead and compared apple to apples. I got 24 ounces of normal Great Stuff, and we'll see if the volume's any better, bigger, if expansion's any better. The cure time might be a little faster. So really, then, other than this making you look really, really cool because it comes with a gun apparatus and it says you're a pro right on it, does this really mean professionals should use this? Let's find out. I actually have some cured Great Stuff, just this normal gap and crack sealer, cured right here so you can see what it looks like and how much expansion we got out of it. So now we'll go ahead and just put some Great Stuff Pro on here. So I can actually control the flow to like nothing, if you've noticed. Almost nothing coming out of it to a bunch. We have a lot of control over this versus the Great Stuff. So let's see the Great Stuff's control here. Not to mention this is orange, so they say it's because of fire blocking. But in reality, this being orange isn't any different than this being yellow or cream color. It just makes it so you can see it a little easier, because this is also would work as fire blocking. So let's try to get a little tiny bead out like this. It's a little harder than a bunch. Woohoo! A lot less control over the normal Great Stuff. We'll go ahead and let this set up over here and we'll see what happens. My opinion, the most important feature about the Great Stuff Pro versus the Great Stuff is going to take me at least 12 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down and I'll come back in 12 hours. Okay guys, it hasn't been 12 hours, but it's been a few hours and it's enough to prove my point. Let's go ahead and see how these perform now. Go ahead and turn this one on. And we'll try to get a little bead. It's actually pretty good. Now let's shut it off. Now, the Great Stuff. See a difference between the two similarities? So, in my opinion, if you're going to use this for gaps and cracks and use it how it's intended, and you only use 20% of the can, you're going to be forced to throw the rest of this can in the trash. On the Great Stuff Pro, you can utilize the entire 24 ounces of this within 30 days. You have a 30-day storage time within your gun like this. So now what I'm waiting for is the actual volume comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and put a brand new can in this. It's kind of cool, just unthreads. Okay. Brand new can. Pop the top. Cool. Let me thread that on in here. Let's see how much is in this. Open it up all the way. Okay, I'm calling that there because really, you can't really use that. That's done. Shut this off. Actually, I'm going to throw that can in the trash. And I'll let this set up and we'll come back in a few hours when it's cured. Here's the foam size and the beads. Right here you can see that I feel like these foamed up are relatively the same. So as you can clearly see, I think that there's actually the exact same amount of foam inside Great Stuff Pro versus the normal Great Stuff. Yeah, if you want to think about it. Great Stuff Pro, there is more in it, but that's because it's a 24-ounce can. versus your standard Great Stuff, which is a 12-ounce can, or 16-ounce can if you get the big one. People telling you the Great Stuff Pro has more in it are full of great stuff. But really, if you're a professional, you really should carry the Great Stuff Pro gun, in my opinion, because you really will get more out per can because you're going to be throwing less away. There's not more in the can. If you just do one job and you're done, get this. But if you're a professional contractor, handyman, maintenance guy, and you use this stuff day in and day out, just a little bit at a time, this will become cheaper because, well, you can use every single drop out of it. I know what you're saying. The cheap Great Stuff says it fills up to 1-inch gaps, versus Great Stuff Pro says it'll do 3 inches. That's because you can adjust the volume with this knob on the back of the gun and let more foam out at once than the normal Great Stuff. You're limited to this one. That's the only reason. Same stuff, different color. I'm sure there's a joke in there somewhere, but I'm not touching it. I'm Jay. This is my to-do list. Thanks for watching. I don't think I want to do this right now.